Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I just got my base box for the month of August 2022. So if you guys want to know what I got in my box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started with unboxing. There's a Boxycharm box. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this little box. As you guys can see, I have not opened it yet. It still does have like the seal on there. So let's go ahead and break into it together because I always like to give you guys like what my first impressions are. I like to be surprised. So hopefully this month is a good box, is a good month. Ta-da-ta-da-ta-da. This is what my box looks like when you first open it. And on here is the little card. So the theme for this month is going to be Dusk Till Dawn. This is what it looks like. Let me tell you my variation really quick. So my variation is the letter C 220A003-BA. That's my variation. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get into it. Ta-da! This is what my box looks like. Girl, the first thing I'm super excited for is my makeup items. As you guys can tell, I love me some color. I love me my makeup items. And I do see something from Item Beauty, which I'm super excited for. I really hope this is like the colorful mascara. Let's open it together. I think it is. I really hope it is. All right, so this is by Item Beauty. It's the Boost Juice. That's what it says. Let's open this side up right here. Oh my God, it is. I'm so excited. I am so down for this mascara. Yes. Okay, we're off to a great start, guys. So that's the first item. Oh, okay. So I think you're supposed to like prime your eyelashes first. You go in with this one. And then to make the color pop, then you'll go in with the blue one. I love this blue mascara. It's super vibrant. It's very pretty. And I'm so living for it. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and move on to the next item. I'm so excited for this one. All right, next up in our box. Okay, I see something really good. Also that we do carry at Sephora. So this is going to be from Glow Recipe, a little bit of skincare. We love Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe is like a really good skincare brand. So this one, this is what it looks like. I feel like I've had this before, or I've used this before. Maybe I purchased it like a long time ago. I don't remember, but I do remember this. Like I've used this before. So this is the Avocado Melt. It's a retinol eye cream. So of course, guys, this is what it looks like. It's a really nice, thick consistency. And you want to make sure that you guys are taking care of that under eye. I've been doing my skincare routine and I've been staying pretty loyal on taking care of my under eye because we don't want to have like any crow's feet down here. We want to age, but we want to age gracefully if you're prematuring within the aging. So this one's a really good one. I really love this avocado melt from Glow Recipe. That's a really great item. I'm excited for it. Let's see what this one is because the packaging looks a little small. Curious to see what it is. Okay, so this is from Girl Lactic and it says it's a metallic eye sparkle. Ooh, girl, I'm excited. Hopefully it's a good item. Let's see what shade it is. Hopefully it's a good shade. Oh, bitch, this is nice. This is super, super nice. I will definitely be putting this to use. This is a really nice copper shade. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Oh, yes, love that. Love that very much. This is what the shade looks like. Ooh, I love it. It is very, very nice. It's a super metallic-y coppery shade. I will definitely be putting this to use. I am actually using a metallic eyeshadow that they had sent us from Boxycharm, I think a while back. And it's this one. This is the one that I'm using today on my eyelid. But the applicator is not that great though. It's like a plasticky, it's kind of rough. This is what it looks like. So I'm super excited that I got this metallic eyeshadow, and the applicator is so much better. We'll definitely be putting this to use. Look how nice this applicator is. So you can really go in effortlessly and not try so hard. This is really nice. I'm so excited for it. Look at the shade, how beautiful. I don't know if they're going to be sending this like in different shades or if it's only this shade that they're sending. I don't know, but this is the one that I got and I really like it. All right, then up next we got this from KAB Cosmetics. This is a loose setting powder. Oh my god, guys, I'm like shook for this box. This box is really good because I really love me my makeup items, and the one skincare item that I like, I'm living for it as well. It's a really good one. So yes, Boxycharm, you guys are doing good. Hopefully I get my premium box pretty soon. I'm still waiting for that one. Look, I'm just tearing this box apart. All right, so here is the little setting powder, loose setting powder. It looks like it's a translucent shade. A ver, let me see. Yep, it is. It's a translucent shade. I've never tried her, let's open it up because I want to see what like how finely milled this powder is. Okay, let me open it up so we could see together because I'm excited for it. Okay guys, I was able to take out the little sticker it had right on top. I feel like this shade is very, it's good. It's a very universal shade because it's translucent, so it would complement a lot of complexions. This is what the powder looks like. Let's see. Hopefully you just do have to be very careful with translucent powders because some of them do have, I don't know if I like this or not. It feels a little thick. It feels a little chunky. Some of these translucent powders you do have to be very careful with because sometimes they just do have a lot of talc, and that will give you photo flashback and you don't want to look like a ghost. This I think will definitely, I don't know, I'm gonna have to try it out because to me it feels a little, it's not as finely milled as the one that I am currently using, and it looks like I see like that white stark on it. So I don't know if this would give me I don't know, like that little white cast when you do any pictures or anything like that. Hopefully it doesn't, but we'll see. I feel like it does have a little bit of talc on there. I don't know. Okay, we're just gonna have to wait to see how this powder wears. I will be trying it out for sure because, you know, I love me my makeup items. So that's cool. I'm excited because I love me my makeup items, but we'll see how this translucent powder wears and we'll put it to test. Okay, and then the last thing that I got is this right here. Oh girl, tell me this is not a, yes, I think it is. Okay, I think this is gonna be a repeat item. And is it Sassy Pants is the shade? What is this? I think this looks familiar. I think I already do have this. Yep, this is from Ali Goop. This is gonna be a repeat item, I believe. Ooh, let me see. Ooh, wait. Oh no, is it different shades? Okay, I already do have one of these, but I don't know if it's the, okay, this is the one I just got. This is the one that I already do have. Is it the same? No, it's different. Okay, never mind. I'm not mad. I was gonna say, girl, I already got this item. But they're two different shades, and I have used, this one was my original. So it has a little bronzer, it has the blush, and it has like a cream highlight, which is very pretty. But this one that they sent out today is actually a different, it's a different shade. So this one's called Sassy Pants, and this one's called Sunkissed. And these look a little bit more pinkish, more of like a rose gold type of highlighter. And the bronzer does seem a little bit lighter. So yeah, guys, this is what I got. I am living for this box. I think this was a really good box overall. In my opinion, it did meet my needs because I look forward to my makeup items, and that's the majority of the stuff that I got. So yeah, guys, let me add this up and go over each and every single item with you to let you know how much they retail for, and we will wrap it up. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and go through each and every single item. So first off, our Glow Recipe Eye Cream, which has retinol on it. It does retail for a whopping of $42. So this alone literally pays off for the box. That's why I love Boxycharm, because I feel like it's still totally worth it. Even if you dislike the entire box and you get one item that's still worth the value of it, I think it's still worth it. So this was a plus. This one was a win. We'll definitely be putting this to use. So yeah, that one was $42. Then we have the Alley Oop little stacker here. This one does retail for $38. Then we have the Galactic metallic eyeshadow. That one retails for $20. We have our KAB Cosmetics translucent setting powder. This one retails for $30. Girl, bye. I don't know. This looks fairly small to me. It looks like a mini, or it looks like a little travel size, so I would definitely not purchase this. Yeah, no. This is a no. But that's $30. And then we also do have the Item Beauty Beautiful Colorful Mascara. This one does retail for $18. So the total value of my box altogether is a value of $142. Yes, girl. I feel like this box was really, really good. I love my variation. I really, really love it. And that's going to be it for today, guys. Leave me a comment down below. I want to know what you guys got, or are you still waiting for your box? What are you excited for? Leave me a comment down below. I always love to connect with you guys. And that's going to be it for today's video. If you like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.